Let's see how intelligent you really are. If you get 5 correct, you're still a beginner. 10 correct means you're just average. But if you hit a perfect 20 out of 20, you belong to the elite 1% with top-tier knowledge. Let's get started. Question 1. Which fruit is the best source to replenish vitamin C? A. Banana. B. Apple. C. Orange. D. Grapes. Answer C. Orange. Question 2. Deficiency of which vitamin leads to poor eyesight? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. Answer A. Vitamin A. Question 3. Which vitamin do we primarily get from sunlight? A. Vitamin K. B. Vitamin E. C. Vitamin D. D. Vitamin A. Answer C. Vitamin D. Question 4. Cracked lips or sores at the corners of the mouth indicate a deficiency of A. Vitamin B2, riboflavin. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin D. D. Vitamin A. Answer A. Vitamin B2. Question 5. Which vitamin is found in lemons and other citrus fruits? A. Vitamin B12. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin D. D. Vitamin E. Answer B. Vitamin C. Still going strong? You're already showing more focus than most people. Keep it up. Question 6. Which vitamin is essential for maintaining strong bones? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin D. D. Vitamin K. Let me comment answer. Question 7. Which vitamin, found in milk and eggs, is crucial for brain health? A. Vitamin B12. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin K. D. Vitamin E. Answer A. Vitamin B12. Question 8. A deficiency in which vitamin prevents blood from clotting properly? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin E. C. Vitamin K. D. Vitamin C. Answer C. Vitamin K. Question 9. Eating carrots helps the body replenish which vitamin? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin D. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin B. Answer A. Vitamin A. Question 10. Which disease is caused by a severe deficiency of vitamin C? A. Night blindness. B. Beriberi. C. Scurvy. D. Rickets. Answer C. Scurvy. Halfway through. If you've scored 7 or more, your health knowledge is officially above average. Can you maintain this streak? Question 11. Which vitamin is abundant in almonds and wheat germ oil? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin E. C. Vitamin K. D. Vitamin C. Answer B, vitamin E. Question 12. Beriberi is a disease caused by the lack of which vitamin? A, vitamin B1, B, vitamin B12, C, vitamin C, D, vitamin A. Answer A, vitamin B12. Question 13. Spinach and leafy greens are rich in iron and which vitamin? A, vitamin K, B, vitamin D, C, vitamin B12, D, vitamin C. Answer A, vitamin K. Question 14. Bleeding gums are a common symptom of a deficiency in A, vitamin A, B, vitamin C, C, vitamin D, D, vitamin K. Answer B, vitamin C. Question 15. Which of these is the richest natural source of vitamin C? A, bread, B, Indian gooseberry, amla, C, rice, D, meat. Answer B, Indian gooseberry. Question 16. Constant fatigue and low energy can be a sign of which vitamin deficiency? A, vitamin B complex, B, vitamin D, C, vitamin A, D, vitamin K. Answer A, vitamin B complex. Question 17. To help prevent night blindness, what should you include in your diet? A, papaya and carrots, B, bread and pasta, C, salt, D, soda. Answer A, papaya and carrots. Question 18. Which oil is considered an excellent source of vitamin D? A, sunflower oil, B, coconut oil, C, mustard oil, D, cod liver oil. Answer D, cod liver oil. Question 19. Which vitamin is often called the beauty vitamin for skin health? A, vitamin E, B, vitamin B12, C, vitamin D, D, vitamin K. Answer A, vitamin E. This is it, the final challenge. Don't let the pressure get to you. Good luck. Question 20. Which of these vitamins is water soluble? A, vitamin A, B, vitamin D, C, vitamin C, D, vitamin K. Let me comment answer.